as glaciers were retreating northward, Lake Climax was the southern arm of glacial Lake Agassiz. As the glaciers melted and Lake Agassiz drained away some 9,000 years ago, distinct landscapes were left behind that settlers found to be both promising and problematic. While the glacial lake deposits were some of the most fertile soils on Earth, drainage was an issue throughout the basin. During the settlement of western Minnesota, farmers came in search of cheap and productive farmland. They thought that they were getting a great deal, but farming proved to be quite a challenge. The rich farmland became flooded in the spring. Farmers tried to tile the land with clay tiles, but the land still proved to be swampy and difficult to farm. Eventually, as James J. Hill and the railroad came to the valley, efforts were made to drain the land, which made farming this rich soil possible. The Sandhill River was dammed at Climax to provide power to grind flour and generate electricity in the early 1900s. Since early days of settlement, additional drainage efforts have continued, including a major Army Corps of Engineering project completed in 1954, which resulted in a channel with 4 drop structures installed to provide drainage relief to the area. And now we're working towards modifying these structures to allow for upstream fish passage. Today, our section of the river is monitored by the Climax-Shelly River Watch in an effort to gain awareness and collect data for watershed management and planning organizations.